Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to see how we can create a lead gen campaign inside the Facebook Ads account. So a lead gen campaign is going to be one where you will be able to generate leads for businesses. So with the help of this campaign, guys, we run Facebook ads wherein people see our ads, and when they click on our ads, it takes them to a form where they can fill up their details and submit that information. So this helps to generate a lot of leads for businesses. And now the business sales team can contact those leads and offer their products and services. So that way, we're able to generate a lot of potential sales for the companies and businesses we are running ads for. So this turns out to be a very effective marketing strategy wherein we run such kind of campaigns to bring in more clients for the business, and that can generate revenue for them. So let's see, guys, how we can build out this kind of a campaign inside the Facebook ads account. So once we're inside the account, guys, we can start building out this campaign. So you have a campaign objective in Facebook, which is leads itself. So you can select that and we can go ahead and build out this campaign. This is going to be a manual campaign. So we're going to select that and we start building it out. So the first thing which you can do is you can give it a name specifically in this manner. And then you can choose the campaign details remains the same, which is like it's a buying type is auction and campaign objective is leads. We can leave the A/B testing part and the campaign budget optimization as is because we don't want to make any changes to that. And then we can get into the ad set level. Now at the ad set level, you can start giving all the other details, like you can give a name to the ad set. And now you can see specifically, we are looking at the conversion as an instant form. So instant form will be an option wherein people would be presented with a form or a lead form, which they can quickly fill and submit as a lead. So this is the most appropriate option, which you should be selecting in a lead gen campaign. Then you have the Facebook page, which we have selected out here for which we are doing it. The performance goal we are looking at is maximizing the number of leads. Obviously, here the objective remains that we can generate as many leads as possible. Then we can also provide the cost per result goal, how much on an generally speaking we can spend to get one lead. So we can provide that information. And then if you want, you can go ahead and provide the budget and you can schedule the campaign as in when you want to start off with it. Also at the ad set level, we can do location targeting. So here you can do your location targeting where you want to run these ads specifically. So you have all the options. So you can select those options as well in this particular manner, as you can see. And beyond that, we can come to audience targeting. So if you want to do manual audience targeting, you can do that also by switching to original audience, where you will get the options of selecting demographics, gender, detail targeting, all of that will be provided to you. So here you can choose your age category. Let's say we're choosing 18 to 60 years. Gender also, we can choose both gender. Let's say we are doing this a lead gen campaign for a car rental service and we want to generate leads for them. So that way you can choose the demographics and detail targeting also can be done over here. So let's say we are looking at interest specifically and we are looking at car rental. So now you can go ahead and choose the audiences which we are looking for out here in this particular manner. So once you have done your audience targeting, then we can look at placements. If you want to use any manual placements where you want the ads to appear, usually it will be a good idea that we can leave it as advantage placements, because with that you get more reach. Your ads are shown on multiple different placements across the Facebook network. So these are all the details which we are filling up at an ad set level. And once you fill this up, then we can move to the ad level where we can go ahead and fill up all the details. So the first thing which you do here is you give a name to the ad. And then what we are looking at is we can choose the Facebook page as well. And we can choose the ad type. So let's say we are choosing a single image ad over here. And then we can go ahead and start building out the creative out here. So we can edit the ad, the media, Okay, and we can add some media. Let's say we're using this one. So you can see in this manner, our ad creative will get uploaded and we can use that in our ad creation. And then we can fill up all the other details. So which can be the primary text which we are looking for. Let's say it's a car rental service. So we are choosing in that particular manner any headline which we want to give. Okay, so we can provide here. We can also give a description out here. So these are all the ad creation part which we're providing, and what we are looking for a lead gen. So you can choose an appropriate call to action in that same manner. So let's say we're looking at signing up. And here we now are going to create a form, because this is what we are here for, wherein we want to build up a form which can be presented to our audience and they can fill it up. So here you can build out the whole form. So now Facebook gives you multiple options, which is like more volume, higher intent, and rich creative. More volume means this will specifically focus on getting as many leads as possible. Higher intent will be a case where it will try to target the ads in such a manner that we're trying to get high quality leads. So a better option would be that we can start with more volume in the beginning, where the focus is generating more leads, and later on we can switch to a higher intent form. Apart from that, we give the intro. So in the intro, we can use the image which we have used in the ad itself, or use any other image as well as possible. And then we can give the headline over here. You can also provide the additional details. In this manner, you can give some greeting, and then we put in some questions which we want, the details, the information which you want to collect from the users, so which we can provide. So in this case specifically, we can also mention what we are going to do with this information. In this manner, and then we can choose the type of information which you want to collect from your user. So we can choose email, for full name, and phone number as well. In this way, you would also have to provide the privacy policy page of your website in this form creation. So you can go to your website. Let's say this is our website, and we can go to the privacy policy page specifically, and we would have to provide that. As you can see, we are providing that over here. Once you provide that, okay, then we can go ahead and look at the message. So after filling up the form, what kind of message you want to showcase? So we can say, thanks, you're all set. You can visit our website. So that information we can give. And then we can provide the website URL. If you're asking, if you're directing them to our website's URL, then you can give the website URL out there. So now, once the form is filled out and they get to this page, they have the option to view our website. So this way, we are creating the whole form out, as you can see. So once the form is created, this will be attached to the ad, and now people would be able to see the form right with the ad, and they can click on it and fill up the information. So apart from this, you can also go ahead and set up the tracking, in the sense that you would be tracking this as a conversion. So that pixel has to be set up over here as well. So these are all the information which we provide out here, and then we can click on publish to submit the campaign for a review, and then it can start running. In this manner, guys, we are able to go ahead and create a lead gen campaign inside the Facebook ads account for generating leads for different types of businesses, so that they can quickly go ahead and provide their information which comes to the business, and now the business can contact them and offer their products and services. I hope this makes sense, and now you understand how to create a lead gen campaign inside the Facebook ads account. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today, and I will see you in the next video.